Mercedes E350, no start. The fuel pump is good, but it's not working, and the problem is in the rear fuse box. So what we're gonna do now, I loosened all the bolts, removed all the covers, and now we're gonna remove the fuse box control module. So this is the one from a junkyard. We have blue connector, black connector, red connector, black connector. Behind it it's white and green, black, 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 blue, black. And here we have green right here, number 10, blue number 30, 25, it's purple, number 2 black, number 21 black, and number 14 black. And on another side we have this kind of relay, Drachselmeier. So we just prepared the fuse box. Now we're gonna remove the old one and we're gonna install our used one, but in good condition. 1, 2, purple, 3, okay, the red one right here, and black one right here, the blue one right there. Oh, okay. Blue, black, black, So the job is done, the fuse box is replaced. Now we're gonna test the car.